Have you ever felt like your mind is full of thoughts, tasks, and ideas all at once? The brain dumping technique, also known as externalizing thoughts, is a simple way to clear mental space by writing everything down. This straightforward practice involves transferring whatever is in your head onto paper or a digital note, without judging, editing, or organizing it. It's a practical tool used in journaling and everyday mindfulness. Here's how to practice it step by step. First, grab a pen and paper, or open a notes app. Set a gentle timer for 5 to 15 minutes. Start writing. Let everything flow: thoughts, to-do items, worries, ideas, random observations, whatever comes to mind. Don't worry about spelling, grammar, or making sense. Just keep the pen moving or fingers typing. When the time is up, you can stop. You may choose to review what you wrote later, organize it into lists, or simply set it aside. The main goal is to externalize the thoughts and create more mental clarity. For example, you might write, "Buy groceries. Feeling unsure about tomorrow's meeting. Remember to call Sarah. That song I heard earlier." Tips: do this regularly. Many people find it helpful in the morning or before bed. There's no right or wrong way. Keep it private if you like. Brain dumping is a simple practice for externalizing thoughts and supporting everyday mental clarity. Give it a try whenever your mind feels busy. Thanks for watching.